Button Connect, you'll have the ability to search for your files using a couple of different options. You'll also have the ability to add content should you need to. Now, I've already selected my MGI AP Invoices project, and as you'll see, all of my index fields for that project have populated for me to search by. Now, if I needed to locate the file by the invoice number specifically, I can go ahead and enter that criteria, and then click on the green Find button. Here it's indicating that I have one document available to me, and if I click on that, that is going to launch within my web viewer. Now, all of that information is going to populate into those index fields based on the file information. If I want to clear that out, I can just click on the Clear button, and then let's say that I needed to search for all of my files pertaining to a single vendor. So I'm going to enter that criteria here. Once again, click on my Find button, and then you'll see that I have all of the files specific to that vendor. Once again, I can make my selection here, and then if I were to click on the specified document, it would once again open in my web viewer. Now, if I need to search by additional criteria, I can click on my search icon up at the top of the application. Here I can select the project, and once again, all of my index values will be available for me to search by. I can also search by any divider, or I can do a date search, and this is going to give me the option to perform a search by the date changed, the upload date, or the original date. Let's say I selected my date changed. I could then choose to search within the last number of months, the last number of days, or within a date range. I can also search by a document name or annotation text if those options are enabled for me. If the document has been fully OCR'd, I may also have the ability to perform a full text search. Now, if I needed to add a document to a file, what I can do is go down here, and let's say that I just have a item by the invoice number 12345. Once again, I can click on my Find button, and it's not going to locate anything by that invoice number, but then my scan and my import options become available to me. If I click on my Scan button, the scanning dialog box will open for me. Now, I've already gone ahead and loaded a document that I'm going to scan in. Then I'll click on the Scan button, and my document will be populated within the viewer here. Now, I can rescan that page, insert it before another page, insert it after a page, or I can choose to delete that page. I also then can go ahead and save that, or I can cancel if I needed to scan in a different page or close the dialog box. I'm going to go ahead and discard this since we're going to also show you how to import your items. So you have your Import button here, and if you click on that, it will allow you to perform a file selection from your saved items. You also have the ability to drag and drop over documents directly from your desktop. Once you do that, you'll see a dialog box similar to this, which will give you the option to adjust the original date. You can change the document name, select which divider it's going to fall under, and then you also have the abilities to convert TIFF images to PDFs or delete the original documents. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save, and you'll see that my document is now saved under that divider.